In this video, we're going to explore 3 more paths for caring for your spiritual health and tuning into it. Number 4, connect with nature. We are part of nature and came from it, so there's something really profound and grounding when we spend time outdoors. Nature is a living, breathing, calming space. It can be a great friend to have when others are not around. An opportunity to tune into the beauty that's around us. Forests, rivers, and lakes. Mountains and oceans. Sunsets and moonlit skies. These are all great doorways to experiencing feelings of awe and wonder and feeling connected. These are doorways for recognizing our smallness and interconnectedness, doorways for experiencing moments of beauty. Whether it's the view from the top of a waterfall or the birds on a branch. Whether it's the clouds in the sky or the ants in the cracks of a sidewalk. Nature has a powerful way of pulling us away from the busyness of our thoughts and into the present moment, into our bodies and our senses. Be barefooted in grass, smell flowers. Walk in parks, see how many different birds you can spot or types of animals. Spend time with animals or around them. Spending time in nature is the perfect space for processing your day or your week, or something that's been heavy on your heart. Spending time in nature is a way of paying tribute to something bigger than us, something that came before humans and will be here after humans. Number 5, build wisdom and self-awareness. Part of being spiritual is the act of developing wisdom, insight, and self-awareness. Wisdom can come with age and experience, but it can also just come with setting an intention. An intention to learn lessons and grow. Wisdom is that lens that goes a little bit more beyond ourselves and sees a bigger picture. Wisdom is that bird's eye view that sees patterns and connections and synchronicities. It's that voice from our higher self, our intuition, that is trying to guide us toward a more evolved stage of ourselves. It's that voice of clarity that whispers to us when we're trying to deceive ourselves. We can build wisdom by journaling and creating space to reflect. We can build wisdom by asking questions, accepting feedback, by being open to change and adapting and trying new things. We can build wisdom by seeing our mistakes and suffering as opportunities to grow, and by learning from people we think are wise. Number 6, build compassion. Compassion is a great way to measure the health of someone's spirituality or our own. Do my beliefs and behaviors nurture a sense of interconnectedness or division? Do my beliefs and behaviors come from an open heart or a closed heart? Is there empathy, curiosity, and understanding? Compassion feeds collaboration, it feeds peacemaking, bridge building, and makes it easier to journey through life. We can start to build compassion by setting an intention to, and start by first getting more comfortable showing compassion to yourself. Have a more loving, patient, and understanding approach to yourself rather than the self-critical approach we tend to have. We can build compassion by remembering our interconnectedness with others, our interdependence, and our commonalities and shared fears and needs. We often focus too much on our separateness from others, which can create fears and divisiveness. And divisiveness makes us feel angry and threatened by others. But when we start seeing ourselves in others and others in ourselves, it's easier for us to let some things go and be more forgiving. Because our energy influences other people's energy and they influence ours, it's more beneficial to build bridges with others than to destroy them. We can build compassion by immersing ourselves in the stories of others, in books, film, and music, for example. We can build compassion for others by imagining what they're like when they're loving, vibrant, or well. You might imagine others as a child, or imagine them when they're experiencing joy or feeling loved. These are all just a few ways to familiarize yourself with a heart space of compassion. We've gone through 6 paths for building your spirituality and caring for it. Take your time. Find what fits. Keep experimenting with different kinds of rituals and practices. And very soon you will experience the rewards of your efforts as they grow into habits. Discover how much color spirituality can add to your life.